Hey guys, it's Coach Allen with the Elite Jump Training Program. One of the questions I get from players all over the world is how can I improve the range on my shot? Now, improving your range is actually twofold. A portion is actually handled in the weight room and becoming stronger. When you become stronger, it's like putting a bigger engine in a car. But equally important is your mechanics, the technical way in which you shoot the basketball, because the more efficient you are with your form, the more range you'll be able to have. Since we're in the weight room today, all we'll focus on is that strength portion. I also know that a lot of you watching this that have this question, you're younger. And when you're younger, you haven't built the requisite strength yet. So I'm gonna show you a few different exercises, one for our pushing muscles, one for our pulling muscles, and one for our legs and hips. And I'm gonna give you a couple of progressions that you can do for each one, so you can start to build the strength you need to then take that to the court, apply it to your skills and form to add range to your shot. The very first thing we do will be a push-up. And we're gonna start and do a modified push-up, a kneeling version of the push-up, where we're actually gonna have our knees on the floor instead of our feet. So let's go ahead and get 8 perfect kneeling push-ups. There's nothing wrong with having to start at this level. So we're gonna go ahead and flatten out your hips, and go ahead and let's get 8 perfect reps. When you can do 10 to 12 perfect reps like this, then you'll be able to graduate to a normal push-up. But your form and technique is by far the most important. And perfect, now let's just go ahead to regular push-ups so we can get rid of the mat. Take a breath if you need it, and then we'll go ahead and do regular push-ups. Excellent. Once you can do 10 to 12 regular push-ups, our last portion of the advanced series of this movement would be to put your toes on the bench and put your hands on the ground. All right, let's see if we can get 6 to 8 of these. Nice. Excellent. So now that we've worked the front side of our body, we want to make sure we have balance and we work the back side as well. So now we're going to go to our pulling movements. For most of you watching, if you are younger players and you find regular pull-ups really challenging, that's okay. We're going to do what's called a modified row. And I realize this may be hard if you're doing these at home. These might be something you have to do at your school or gym, but we want to find something right around waist height. So go ahead and hop in here. And we're going to take an underhand grip and we're going to do a set of modified rows. The first modification, you're gonna put your feet underneath your knees. No, just like that. And you're gonna pull your chest to the bar. Excellent. Let's just see if we can get 6 of these. So this is modified row version number 1. When you can do 10 to 12 of these, then we'll go ahead and straighten your legs all the way out. Same thing. Same grip you had, because you can still go underhand, Just get 4 to 6 of these. Excellent. All the way up, looks good. Nice. Excellent, and relax. Once you're able to do the modified row, now we'll actually have you hop inside and let's get 1 set of pull-ups. Let's just see if we can get 4 to 6 pull-ups. You can grab any grip that you'd like, underhand or neutral grip. Now we want to make sure we move to our lower body. We want to strengthen everything from the lower body. A lot of players don't realize that a good portion of your power when you shoot the ball comes from your lower body. So the first one we'll do, we'll have you come here and we're just going to get in a split stance, and you're just going to drop back knee to the ground and then go straight up. So you can go ahead and hop on this side, and why don't we just get 6 each side. Just straight down, straight up. Excellent. Same thing other side, that's perfect. Now our next level of this will be, we'll start in an athletic stance and we'll actually drop one leg back into a reverse lunge. We'll get 6 in a row on one side, then 6 in a row on the other. Perfect. Excellent. Jump. And our highest level of progression would be a rear foot elevated split squat, where we'll actually put the instep of our foot on top of the bench, and we'll get a rear foot elevated split squat. Last one, let's just get 4 each side. Yep. You probably noticed that those were fairly basic exercises, but if you want to be a great player, you can't get bored with the basics. You need to be able to master these movements before you graduate up and do some more traditional weight training exercises. So once you can do the advanced version of the push-up, the pull-up, and the rear foot elevated split squat, then you'll be able to tackle that more conventional program. And all of these, even the most basic ones, will still help you add range to your shot.